very warm welcome to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Thursday the 16th of June. And as we saw yesterday with the quite large risk-off trades across all of the asset classes, it looks to have continued so far today after the Asian bourses reacted to the sharp losses seen in the equity markets globally in yesterday's trading session. So far here in Europe, continued theme of higher fixed income, lower stocks, a stronger dollar as risk is taken off the table. As such, in terms of the actual peripheral bond yield spreads, back all at record levels once again, particularly the likes of Spain and Italy and some of those core markets also feeling some of the contagion fears of that Greek fallout. The actual domestic 2-year bond yield in Greece has now crossed 30% to the upside for the first time as well this morning. As such, all of the credit default swaps on a 5-year basis are also up at record levels. In terms of some of the actual headlines in which we've seen, further resignations in the ruling PASAK party in Greece has continued to unnerve some of the markets, given that if they can't form a stable government themselves, then it could well jeopardise the next tranche of aid. In terms of Eurozone sources, they've indicated pretty mixed suggestions so far, some saying they will get the tranche by July, as has been mentioned by EU's Olli Rehn only a few hours ago. But separately, other sources suggesting that Germany is still causing a few issues in these negotiations. They could be looking to push things back towards September, which would be a very net negative for the situation given the dire state of the Greek economy at the moment. So the market continues to be highly sensitive to this Greek news and various headlines as they hit the wires. We'll continue to monitor that. Euro is seen weaker again across the board, with euro dollar having already crossed the 141 handle at one point, down over 100 pips, and in flight to quality as well. In a safe haven bid, the Swissy continues to strengthen, a record low once again, dropping below the 120 handle in euro Swiss in early trade. In terms of the US session, though, there is some key economic data. We'll get the housing starts and building permits as well as the weekly jobs numbers, so we'll also keep a close eye there as well. That concludes the opening wrap from me. We'll have another update from one of my colleagues at the European Cash Equity Close, but for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.